Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of Fiverr, exploring the art of getting orders and making money online with your simple skills. Whether you're a seasoned Fiverr pro or just starting, this video is packed with strategies to boost your success. So you've set up your Fiverr profile and you're ready to roll. But how do you stand out in the crowd and start raking in those orders? We've combed through reviews and internet sources to bring you the ultimate guide. One Fiverr veteran shares, "I've ranked 5 gigs on the first page, and here's how you can do it." The key, according to this expert, is to think like the CEO of Fiverr. Focus on giving customers the best experience, leading to positive reviews and repeat business. Fiverr's algorithm prioritizes sellers who provide excellent customer experiences. But how do you achieve this? Think like a real business owner. Establish a consistent stream of income to weather the highs and lows of freelancing. Consistency is not just about making money. It's about enhancing Fiverr's success as well. Did you know that Fiverr values consistent work so much that if you reach a repeat buyer score of 95, you receive a special badge? That badge sets you apart from the competition, showcasing your commitment to quality and reliability. Let's talk about the magic number, your buyer satisfaction score. Fiverr is a vast marketplace with millions of sellers. When a buyer searches for a service, the algorithm aims to match them with the best seller. Your buyer satisfaction score is like your credit score. It determines your privileges on the platform. How do you improve your buyer satisfaction score? It starts with excellent communication, on-time delivery, and going the extra mile. Respond quickly, communicate effectively, and deliver high-quality work. These actions lead to positive public and private reviews, elevating your score. But here's a powerful secret: use psychological primers. Just like restaurants offer free snacks or real estate agents give gift baskets, you can provide extra value to your clients. Create one-page documents, sharing your industry knowledge, tips, and tricks. These primers not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also set you apart as an industry professional. Now let's talk about promoting your gigs. Don't underestimate the power of self-promotion. Share your gigs on social media, leverage word of mouth, and explore paid promotions. The more eyes on your gigs, the better your chances of securing those initial orders. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.